RPMI 4T microinverter, anti-reverse flow meter, installation and configuration networking instructions. 1. Microinverter installation. Step 1. Fix the microinverter in the appropriate position and record the serial number. If there are a large number of microinverters that need to be installed, it is recommended to paste one of the QR codes in the OCR template, which will help to quickly create the PV power station. There will be instruction for using OCR template later in this video. Step 2. Connect the output of the solar panel to the input of the microinverter. This microinverter has 4 inputs, each connected to one solar panel, with a maximum input of 60 volts per input. Note, when using extension cables for connection, one end of the extension cable is a positive connector and the other end is a negative connector. Step 3. Connect the AC extension cable and connect the output of the microinverter to the AC socket at home. When the power grid is out of power, the microinverter has no power output. Before connecting, please confirm that the AC socket is powered on and whether it supports the local grid frequency. Step 4. After installation, check the status of the microinverter indicator light. The continuous green light indicates normal operation. If the red light flashes, please check for any abnormal connection. 2. Microinverter configuration networking. Step 1. Scan the QR code below or on the packaging to download the SolarPoint Data Monitoring Platform app. Step 2. Register an account. Click on Sign Up to enter the Sign Up page. Use email to register. Phone number only supports Chinese numbers. Fill in your email and click Next to get the captcha. Enter the captcha and click on Verify. After successful verification, fill in your account information. Note, the username must be at least 5 characters long, and the password must be at least 8 characters long. After filling in, click Next. After successful operation, return to the login page. Log into the account and enter the app homepage. Step 3. Create a power station. Click on Quickly Create. Select Create PV Plant. Fill in the name of the power station. Click on Get Map Positioning to enter the map page to select the location of the power station. You can zoom in on the map and select the exact location. After confirming the location, return and click Submit. Prompt for successful operation, power station creation completed. Users can view the power station list information in the power stations. Step 4. Microinverter configuration networking. This microinverter communicates via Wi-Fi. Please ensure that there is a nearby device that can provide a stable Wi-Fi network. Return to Quickly Create and select Configure Networking. Select RPMI 4T Solar Microinverter to enter the Configuration Communication Networking page. Note, if prompted to request Bluetooth connection permission, please allow and turn on Bluetooth. For first-time networking, please select Bluetooth mode. Click on Connect the device to enter the Bluetooth search list page. Find the Bluetooth of the microinverter and connect it. The Bluetooth name is the device serial number or starts with PROV. If the Bluetooth cannot be found, disconnect the microinverter from the solar panels, wait for 20 seconds, and then reconnect. Please wait for connect to the Bluetooth of the microinverter. Prompt connection successful, then configure communication Wi-Fi. Default Wi-Fi name is Jiangbo. Password is Jongbo123. If there is no prompt for connection successful, need to reconnect the Bluetooth of the microinverter. Click on Wi-Fi icon to select an available router or Wi-Fi device hotspot. If using an iPhone and unable to click, you can manually fill in the Wi-Fi name. Determine the hotspot of available Wi-Fi device and change the Wi-Fi password to the password of the available Wi-Fi device. Note, the hotspot encryption method for available Wi-Fi device must be WAP2 and the AP frequency band must be 2.4 GHz. After changing the name and password, click on Configure COM, and it will prompt that the configuration successful. The microinverter will transmit data to the server through the configured Wi-Fi within 2 minutes. If there is no configuration successful prompt, need to reconfigure the communication Wi-Fi. After the first successful configuration, need to add the microinverter to the power stash onto view the data uploaded by the microinverter. Step 5. Add microinverter and solar panel to the power station. Return to quickly create and selected PV modules. Enter the add page. The defaulted method is write add mode. The write add mode adds 1 PCS for T microinverter and 4 PCS solar panels each time, which is suitable for small power stations. Large and medium-sized power stations can use OCR add mode. There will be instruction for OCR add mode later. The following is instruction of write add mode. Select the target power station to be added. Add the microinverter serial number. Can scan the QR code on the microinverter or manually fill in the microinverter serial number. Select the solar panel layout. Adding 1 PCS for T microinverter will add 1 PCS default information solar panel to the selected layout and 3 PCS solar panels to the right 3 columns of the same row. For example, select 1 row 1 column will add 1 PCS solar panel to 1 row 1 column, 1 PCS solar panel to 1 row 2 column, 1 PCS solar panel to 1 row 3 column, 1 PCS solar panel to 1 row 4 column. The solar panel's layout and information can be modified after addition. After confirming the layout, click Submit. Prompt for successful operation. Microinverter and solar panel successfully added to the target power station. Supplement 1. Adjust the layout of solar panels. Enter the power station list and select the target power station. Enter the layout page. Click on Settings. Select the solar panel whose layout needs to be changed. Click and drag the layout. After confirming the layout, click Save. Return to the power station list, refresh the page, and re-enter the layout page. Supplement 2. Modify solar panel information. Click on the solar panel to be modified on the layout page. Click on Show Data. Click on the upper right corner to select Update. Users can modify the solar panel information, and the layout can also be adjusted here. After modification, click on Submit. Supplement 3. OCR Add Mode. Tear off one of the serial number QR code labels on the back of the microinverter and stick it in the corresponding square of the OCR template. Due to add 1 PCS 4T microinverter will add 1 PCS solar panel to the selected layout and 3 PCS solar panels to the right 3 columns of the same row. Please do not add to the right 3 columns of the selected layout, otherwise the solar panel position will repeat and prompt an error. Users can contact customer service to obtain OCR template for self-printing. Select OCR Add Mode on the Add page. Select OCR Layout. Here is the layout of OCR template paper. After confirming the layout of the OCR template, click to take a photo, which can be taken directly or uploaded from the album. Only one OCR template can be taken or uploaded each time. After taking or uploading the OCR template, confirm whether the device serial number is correct. If there is an error in recognition, click Edit to modify the serial number. After confirming that all information is correct, click Submit. Prompt successfully. Microinverters and solar panels successfully added to the target power station. 3. Anti-reverse flow meter installation. Step 1. Connect the neutral line and live line of the meter to the household air switch. Can connect to branch switch or the main household switch. Note: blue line is neutral line, red line is live line. Step 2. Clamp the magnetic ring onto the live line of the incoming main line. Note: the direction of the arrow is the incoming direction of the incoming main line. Step 3. Install the antenna onto the meter and attach or place it in a suitable position outside the meter box. 4. Anti-reverse flow meter configuration networking. Step 1. Add anti-reverse flow meter. Click on Quickly Create. Select Add Anti-Backflow. Select the target power station to be added. The system automatically searches for nearby meters. If not recognized, the serial number of the meter can be scanned or manually filled in. Prompt for successful operation: the anti-reverse flow meter successfully added to the target power station. Step 2. Anti-reverse flow meter configuration networking. Return to Quickly Create and select Configure Networking. Select anti-reverse meter to enter the configuration communication networking page. Note: if prompted to request location permission, please allow. Please turn off the mobile data network first and then configure the network. For first-time networking, please select Wi-Fi mode. Click on Connect the meter to enter the mobile WLAN connection page. Find the hotspot of the meter and connect it. The hotspot name starts with RP, and the password is RP1234556. If the hotspot cannot be found, the meter needs to be powered on again. Prompt connection successful, then configure communication Wi-Fi. Default Wi-Fi name is Jiangbo. Password is Jongbil123. If there is no prompt for connection successful, need to reconnect the hotspot of the meter. Click on Wi-Fi icon to select an available router or Wi-Fi device hotspot. If using an iPhone and unable to click, you can manually fill in the Wi-Fi name. Note: the meter and the microinverter that needs to control anti-backflow must be on the same Wi-Fi network. Determine the hotspot of available Wi-Fi device and change the Wi-Fi password to the password of the available Wi-Fi device. Note: the hotspot encryption method for available Wi-Fi device must be WAP2 and the AP frequency band must be 2.4 GHz. After changing the name and password, click on Configure COM, and it will prompt that the configuration successful. The meter will transmit data to the server through the configured Wi-Fi within 2 minutes. If there is no configuration successful prompt, need to reconfigure the communication Wi-Fi. After successful configuration, your phone is in a no network state. Please disconnect the Wi-Fi connection and turn on the mobile data network. After completing all operations, users can enter the target power station to view data. Thanks for watching.